Hello friends, today's topic, you are 60 plus. Where have you invested the money meant for children? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. We have been mentioning in all our videos that the earlier you start investing for long term in stock markets, the better it is. Also, for people above 55 years, we say that it is too late to invest for long term and short term trading is the only option. However, most people earn money till the age of 60 unless they have stopped working due to burnout in their job or they are unemployable due to lack of required skills. After the age of 60, some people may even earn a pension and many people earn rental income from letting out one floor of their house. For many professionals such as doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers, architects have no retirement. They will continue to work and earn money until they are mentally and physically fit. So they will continue to earn income even after 60 years. In large number of cases, senior citizens have some surplus money which they intend to give to their children. Their living expenses are taken care of by the other funds and income that they will have. The most common ways of gifting money by senior citizens to their children are 1. Fixed deposit in banks, 2. Post office deposits, 3. Insurance policies, 4. Real estate properties, house, plot, flat, etc. Bank deposits and post office deposits are giving around 7 to 8% per annum for senior citizens as of now. Hence, your money may hardly grow even after many years of investment. After considering inflation, the above investment does not work out. Due to lack of awareness, this money is usually kept in the bank where it earns a low interest, and then at the time of their life, senior citizens distribute this money in their will to their legal heirs. Instead of this, if a senior citizen can gather good knowledge about mutual funds and stock markets and is ready to take some additional risk, he can invest the money that he intends to give to his children in mutual funds for long term. There are many categories of mutual funds depending on the risk appetite. Suitability of funds for gifting. Usage of money, gift to children and grandchildren, type of investment suitable, hybrid and equity mutual funds of all kinds. Instruments available to gift children. Instrument bank deposits amount 20 lakhs, interest rate and returns after tax 7.5%, corpus after 20 years after tax 84.95 lakhs. Equity mutual funds amount 20 lakhs, interest rate or returns after tax 12 to 15%, corpus after 20 years after tax 3.27 crores. Please note that the interest on bank deposits are taxed on a yearly basis, whereas long-term capital gains tax on mutual funds arises only when you sell. So effectively the bank deposits will be heavily taxed in the years and there will be lower taxes on equity mutual funds. So the senior citizen can hand over a large sum of money to his children if invested in mutual funds at the start of his retirement rather than hand over bank deposits worth a much smaller amount. With high inflation, we cannot afford to let our money die in low yielding instruments which erode in value due to inflation. Of course, to invest and monitor mutual funds, we need to have sufficient knowledge and experience. Another mistake many senior citizens do is to invest in a site for their children. At the end, children may need to sell the site to distribute the money among themselves. On the other hand, the money is in mutual funds, it can be easily divided and the children can decide whether to sell or continue to hold until they need it for some purpose. A larger amount gifted is more beneficial and will elicit more gratitude from children and grandchildren. The previous generation made many investment decisions which made it difficult for the next generation to manage. Hopefully, due to better financial literacy in this generation, senior citizens will plan and manage their investments in a better way so that their hard-earned money is more useful to them and the next generation. Share this video with all your friends and relatives, especially people above 52 years, so that they are aware of this. Enter the video. Here is the question. Do you or your parents have some surplus money to pass on to the next generation? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.